This video is to set up our model 100-109 Settee. The items that you will need are two model 100 chairs and these parts for our settee model 109. We will get started out by installing the front lower support. The front lower support is the longer of the two supports. Let's get started by flipping the two chairs forward, resting the chairs on the front of their arms. That'll make it a lot easier to install this part. Line up the end of the front lower support with the outside edge of the front leg. Screw the support into both legs, but only on one chair. Before you attach the second chair, screw on the lower front arch, then attach the second chair. This is going to make sure that you have the proper distance between the two chairs so that everything will match up. Once you have the second chair attached, place the unit back on its feet and install the back lower support by lining up one edge to the outside edge of the back leg and screw it into the upright. Attach the second chair in the same manner. Both ends are now screwed in. It's time to connect the center of the lower back support into each middle upright. Here's how things should be looking at this point. To fasten the lower shelf, start by placing all four pieces that make up the lower shelf, including the spacers between each board, and center the shelf between the two chairs. Make sure to measure out 2 inches from the lower front arch and begin screwing one screw each, one in the far left board and one in the far right board. Now center the back of the shelf evenly between the two back legs, and again put one screw into the left board and one screw into the right board, fastening them evenly into the lower back support. This is to assure that the shelf will be centered evenly. Make sure all the boards are even across the front, and finish screwing all the boards down into the front and back lower supports. To install the upper front arch, fit the arch tightly between the two chairs. Hold the arch up tight to the bottom of the arms and proceed to screw through the arm braces into the back of the arch. Lay out the pieces that make up the tabletop with the spaces in between the boards. Using a straight edge across the front of the arms, push the center table slat up to the straight edge. Center the 3 boards and screw the center board in and then the side boards. Pull out the spacer and your chair is complete.